Yo, 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 what's going on? Alex Jenkins checking in, y'all. Got 2 minutes on this trade. I'm on a trade with AUD USD. I did a buy at 78.66 for 11 p.m. I got in, probably about over an hour ago. I got in this trade. Bought 115 contracts at 60.75. So, payout was, 39.25 per contract. I'm up 3,500 on this trade right now. Market's currently at 78.89. So I'm up pretty good right now. My entry was here on this candle. So this was 21.50. And right now it's closing in on 23, excuse me, 2,300. So, which is 11 o'clock right here. So we're getting close to that time. So I got in here 78, 65, 66. So it's right here. Right here on this candle right here. Got in on this candle here, and the market moved up, broke with my pivot levels, and as you see, as it broke, it came back and retested that price, and got the hell out of there, and it's up right now. So you see it moving there. My hull is changing it to an uptrend. We pretty much know it's an uptrend from earlier this week. It's been going up since last Friday, and this movement right here has been going up since 9. It's been going up since 9 here, since this last pivot. Right here since last downside movement, and it's been going up ever since. So we know that the market's going up. You don't go against the market, you go with the market. So that's the main thing we try to do. Try to consistently do. So we'll take a look at the chart, look at the platform, and see we got under 30 seconds left. So it's gonna be a pretty good victory right here. Ain't too much to say about it, Really, I've been demoing my ass off for a while. I know you guys been following me and everything, and I'm gonna get you guys some live material here soon enough. Soon enough. I want to see it bad as y'all do. But it's got a trade spot over. Boom, trade is over. Now we're gonna wait till the position settle, and we'll look at the total amount. And boom, 28,000. We're good. Here we go, man. Moving on along. All right, just doing a quick vid, just a trade. That's all. Alex Jenkins checking out.